Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to delete your Chrome browsing history on your PC with the latest update. If you've been searching for a clean and easy way to clear out your past activity, keep watching, because I'll walk you through the process in just a few moments. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Once it's open, look to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. From the drop-down list, hover over History, and then select History again from the menu that appears. Now that you're in the History page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see an option that says Delete Browsing Data. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you get to decide what part of your history you want to remove. In the pop-up window, you'll notice a drop-down box for choosing the time range. You can pick from several options, such as last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you only want to clear recent searches, choose a shorter time frame. But if you want to completely wipe everything, select all time. Next, you'll see checkboxes for the types of data you'd like to remove. To delete only your browsing history, make sure browsing history is selected. However, you can also choose to delete cookies and cached images if you want a deeper clean. Once you select your preferred options, all you need to do is click on the Delete Data button. Chrome will then clear your selected history and data, and just like that, your digital trail is erased. That's all there is to it. This process takes less than a minute, and it's a great way to protect your privacy or simply declutter Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out and keep your browser running smoothly.